Good afternoon to all. So first of all, I'm going to explain or answer your queries. One query was how to solve this third part and fourth part of question number 4, exercise 9.4. So here is the solution for these two parts. Here you see 39y cube into 50y square minus 98, 26y square into 5y plus 7. First of all, you can see here these two are multiple of 13, 13 3s are and 13 2s are, and y square means if I will cut y cube, that is 3 minus 2, only y will left over there, so I will left with 3y in the numerator into, now here you see in 50y square and 98, 50 and 98 if you will take common, so 2 is common there. Inside the bracket you will be left with what? 25y square minus 49. So whatever is common inside the bracket, please try to take that common. Upon here it was 2 left, so into 5y plus 7. This 2 again you can cancel with this 2. I repeat what I did. I have cancelled 39 and 26 by 13. Y cube upon y square, y cube upon y square, you can understand well, y raised to a 3 minus 2 and is equal to y, so that y is left over here. In these two, 50 and 98, whatever is common, take that common. So in 50 and 98 both are multiple of 2, you can take 2 outside. So when you will divide 50 by 2, 25 will be here. When you will divide 98 by 2, 49 will be here. And 5y plus 7. Now in the next step, if you see, it is 3y. You know 25y square is a perfect square. So I can write it the square of 5y. And minus 49 again you know is a perfect square of 7. So upon what? 5y plus 7. Finally, this is a square minus b square. So you can write 3y. Better you use the curly bracket here for this now. So 3y into a square minus b square means 3y into 5y minus 7 into 5y plus 7 upon 5y plus 7. So most of the time whatever is given in your denominator you will be getting in the factorized form somewhere in the numerator, and finally you can cancel that up, 5y plus 7 with 5y plus 7, and leave your answer as 3y into 5y minus 7. So answer for this will be 3y into 5y minus 7. I hope that is clear. Similarly here 8ab, 1s are 324ab. So ab you can cancel up with ab, and 8 3s are 24. Now here 3 inside the bracket. Again you see there are two perfect squares. One is of 3a and another is of 4b. And close. Upon this is 3a plus 4b. Again you see here 3 into a square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. And upon 3a plus 4b, it is already there, which you can cancel, and you will left with your answer 3 into 3a minus 4b. So these are the solution for your exercise 9.4, question number 4, third part and fourth part. Second query, again somebody has put that please explain question number 6, 7 and 8 of exercise 5.2. So whomsoever's inquiry is this, kindly go through day before yesterday's lecture. I have already explained question number 6 on your request only, and on behalf of that solution, I hope the child will be able to solve question number 7 as well as question number 8, because key idea already I have given. Still you are not getting 7th or 8th, then you send a comment to me. But go through the lecture which I have already sent to you day before yesterday, and see the question number 6 on behalf of this query only I have explained already. Thank you. Then yesterday we started exercise 9.5 and first question, that was the factorization, simple factorization we did. So today I will be taking question number 2. If you have done that solution, whatever we can take common. This is the simplest form of factorization. Please go for that. Like first part here is 8a minus 40. So there are two terms. So out of 8 and 40, I need to take the HCF will be 8, and inside the bracket you will be left with a minus 5. Means whatever you have written outside the bracket, by that particular term you need to divide the both. 8a when you will divide by 8, a will left. 40 when you will divide by 8, 5 will left. Now then second part there is 7a minus 14b. So different variables are there. I just cannot think about their common. So 7 only is common. You will be left with a minus 2b. And these are very simple types of factorizations. Please have a look and try at your own level. Then later on I will add some assignment questions to your knowledge also. Here the point of explanation to you just to make you understand that how to take common. Again in 9 and 18, first you give a look to the numbers, that is the coefficients. In 9 and 18 definitely HCF is 9, and in a square and a I told lower degree. Out of the two, when it is degree 2, degree 1, you have to take this, and here you will left with a and here you will left with 2 and leave your answer here. Just one step questions are these. So in fourth part, if you see, this is minus 20x plus 32x cube. Again in 20, no question of minus and plus. You do not think about that. You think about 20 and 32. So you can see that if you find the HCF of 20 and 32, both are lying in the table of 4. So better you take 4 common. And in x and x cube, degree of x is lower, so x only you will take. Here you will left with minus 5 only, and plus there it will be 8x square. So leave your answer here, because I divided minus 20x by 4x, so I will left with minus 5 only. And when I will divide 32 by 4x, 4 8s are 32, and x cube when will be divided by x, only x square will left there. Then fifth part is 10a square b. 10a square b minus 5abc minus 5abc. Now you look at this again in these two numbers. I am not bothering about the signs. Please see that 10 and 5, so definitely 5 is the HCF. Then in variables a square b, a, b, c. So a is there also, there also. So degree less one is a. In b, b only is there. C is not the part of this term, so cannot be common. So 5ab. When you will divide 10a square b by 5ab, 5 2s are 10. A square when will be divided by a, only a will left and b will get cancelled. Minus divided by plus is always minus. 5 will go off, a will go off, b will go off, and you simply will left with c. So please remember, whatever the term you are writing outside the bracket, with that particular term you have to divide this as well as this, and the result will be written inside the brackets. So this is the method we are following for factorization by taking the common multiples whatsoever are possible. So I am proceeding in question number 2. 5 parts I have solved for you. Now I am proceeding towards part number 6, so that you can check your answers whether are correct or not. If any difficulties you are finding anywhere, please do the correction. That is only the purpose, to give you the solution of each part. So now here you see in 6 and 18, again 6 is the HCF. A square and a will be there. In b and b square, b will be there. So here you will left with a only, and here you will left with minus 3b only. So 6ab, when will be dividing 6a square b, the result will be a. 18ab square when will be divided by 6ab, 6 3s are 18, 3, a will go off, b square when will be divided by b, you will be left with 3b only. Then part number 7 for second question is 10a square minus 15b square, then it is plus 20c square. So think about these numbers 1, 2 and 3, 10, 15 and 20. So in 10, 15 and 20, if you see, highest common factor is 5. Here it is A, here it is B, and here it is C. So no variable can be taken out. So take simplify. Here you will left with 2a square, here you will left with 3b square, and here you will left with 4c square. So 5 into 2a square minus 3b square plus 4c square will be the answer for this. Then your eighth part is minus 5x square, then it is plus 5xy, and then it is minus 5xz. 5 is everywhere there. Do not bother about sign. I am asking you always. 5, 5, 5. So take 5 common. X is here, X is here, X is here. So least degree is 1 only. So take X out. Minus divided by plus is minus. 5 go off. X square divided by X. Only X will left. 5X will go off. Only Y will be there. Again 5X will go off. Only Z with minus sign will left. So answer for this will be 5X minus X plus Y minus Z. And then the last part, that is your ninth part of this, was a square bc minus ab square c plus abc square. So only the variables are used here in these three terms. So ABC is there, ABC is there, ABC is there, and least degree everywhere is 1. So simply you take out ABC common. Now you see, when you will take ABC common, BC will go off, a square divided by a. Only A will be the result. Similarly here B will be the result, and here C will be the result. So here you can leave your answer. So that's all about your all 9 parts of question number 2. So tomorrow I will start with question number 3. There are also 8 parts, and that factorization is the another. That is by rearrangement, grouping, you can say. That I will explain to you tomorrow. So please do practice of this, all 9 parts of question number 2, and check your answer. Tomorrow I will add assignment based upon these questions, at least 5 to 7, so that you can become perfect in these factorization questions. Thank you.